How do you know when your burrs are ready to be replaced? The easiest way that I think is to do the math, right? So, if you know what the burrs are rated, how many kilos they're generally recommended to grind, you do the math of what you've done day to day, and then you sort of calculate how often you should be changing or keeping an eye on those. But that doesn't necessarily mean that they have worn down, or doesn't mean they couldn't wear down a little bit sooner if you're going through a lot of coffee. So some things to look out for is as the coffee burrs get a little bit less sharp, as they start to wear, the blades themselves stop cutting so much as they start to sort of break and pulverize. That action typically ends up with more fines, so you may find that you're grinding a little bit coarser and a bit coarser. It also creates a bit of inconsistency, so you may find that your shots don't flow quite as nicely looking. The thing to remember here is that a lot of times people just blame the coffee that's going into the grinder, but keep in mind that, especially if it's been a while since the burrs have been changed, it could be the burrs starting to wear down. And if you notice it's starting to, like your coffee's starting to taste more bitter, that's a sign of those excess fines potentially coming through. Then lastly, your grinder might be grinding slower than you remember. Now with a time-based grinder, and it's like you have to keep increasing the amount of grinding time and adjusting the grind size, then that might be an indication also, because as they're also, when they're wearing down, they're also not as sharp, meaning that they don't cut through and move the coffee through quite as quickly. So all of those things combined can be good indications of when your burrs need to be changed.